At the end of 2020, I decided to make the full switch from Premiere Pro over to Davinci Resolve Studio. The new version 17 was just released in beta. It was at the same time that Grant Petty from Blackmagic announced the following.
We'll be introducing it with a special offer. What we're going to do is we're going to bundle the keyboard, the speed editor, free with Davinci Resolve Studio. So if you purchase Davinci Resolve Studio at the $295 price, the keyboard will be included free. Now, if you buy Davinci Resolve online, we can't do that because there's weird tax problems around the world. But if you buy it through a reseller, then we'll be able to get the keyboard and bundle that. So it'll be really exciting. So it means you don't need to buy both. You don't have to buy the Davinci Resolve Studio and the keyboard. You can just buy the Davinci Resolve Studio and you get the keyboard for free. Now, this is just an introductory offer. It'll be available for the next few months, but we think it should be really exciting.
So it was a 2-for-1 offer. Buy one, get one free. Well, that sounded great to me. On the left is a keycard that unlocks Davinci Resolve to the full studio version, and on the right is a new speed editor. You'll notice the keycard has the older version 16 on it, but it's good to unlock the older as well as newer versions of Davinci Resolve Studio. On the inside is a keycard. On the back are the codes that unlock the full Davinci Resolve Studio. What I was not expecting was an SD flash card that held the older version 16 for PC and Mac, as well as version 16 manual. It's a 16GB Class 10 flash card. Now time to pop open the speed editor and have a look. Some paperwork, stickers, but I noticed there was no Type-C USB cable included. Elsewhere online, a few people reported that they received a speed editor with USB Type-C cable. I ordered a set of different lengths Type-A to Type-C USB cables. Even though the speed editor has Bluetooth built in, I prefer to use a USB port with it. I just had to make sure that the cables I ordered were rated as both charging and data cables. The keys were nice and clicky, a cross between Cherry MX Brown and Blue switches. The spacebar felt a bit squishy though, like a full Cherry MX Brown switch. One thing was interesting was the feel of the scroll wheel. It had a nice smooth rotation and a nice weight to it. If you're familiar with the older jog shuttle wheels on video editors in the past, when you move the shuttle in any direction, it would spring back to the center position. This wheel is free spinning, so it does not operate that way. Well, that's it. Off to play with this thing. Take it easy.